So I bought a fixer-upper, and this is the house here. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the outside of the house. It's in need of some paint. It's pink and white. Has some windows. Nice siding. It's a wooden house. It's missing its front door. But that's the first room that you see. Nice big living room. Very nice windows to let in a lot of sunlight. And let's take a look inside. Number one would be to get a new door. So definitely gonna do that. And here's that first room. Very dirty, needs a full paint job. And then over here, this is gonna be the kitchen. It's been gutted. We have to put all the new appliances in, all the plumbing. Up here is the bathroom. This needs everything as well. It's completely torn out. And this is what the previous owners left it like. There's no connection to the other rooms. So down here, one of the main things that we're gonna do is put in a doorway here to get through. This is gonna be the living room, dining room area. And this, again, being the kitchen, we want a door here. And with this being the bathroom, and this is the master bedroom, we need a doorway here too. So we're gonna add that in. And the other thing we're gonna try to do is add in a staircase that goes to the second floor. And then another staircase that goes up this way, because this is the roof part, which is gonna be, this is additional sleeping areas here. And the previous owners also did leave some furniture behind. So we have a bed, a chair, a vanity table, a small bench, a little brush. The toilet is up here somehow. There's a pillow for the bed, a comb, and this broken piece here. So we have these items in the upstairs, but this all needs to be fully cleaned out and needs new paint job, new wallpaper possibly, new flooring. And I'm just gonna install all of those things. So if you stick with this series, you'll see the next step is gonna be a complete makeover. After the outside and the inside get their full makeover, the next steps will be to furnish everything. Oh, and the other thing I wanted to do is put it on a riser because it's right against the floor. So we want to give it a little bit of a foundation. So that's going to happen as well. And this is it. So I hope you stay tuned to the series so that you can see how this house is going to be transformed. Thanks for watching.